Would you like to learn how to make some amazing lemon pepper wings? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are my clean chicken wings. But the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Now I'm going to add some lemon pepper seasoning to the chicken wings. And after I get the lemon pepper on, then next I'm going to go in with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some regular seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. And next I'm going to add some sazon. Shake that on real good. Now you want to get your oven preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to bake the chicken wings at 350 for an hour, but the last 5 minutes we're going to bump the heat up to 400 so that the chicken wings can get nice and crispy. In the meantime, let's make us some delicious lemon pepper sauce. I have some melted salted butter in the bowl, and I'm going to add in the juice of 1 lemon as well as the zest of a lemon too. And after that, I'm going to add in some lemon pepper seasoning and give it a good stir. Now it's been about an hour and the chicken wings are done.
You hear all that crispy goodness, stop playing.
So now it's time to sauce them babies up. And once I've gotten the wings all sauced up on both sides, then they're done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning all the wood, so I'm rumbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, yeah.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. These lemon pepper wings were the bomb.com. Just packed with flavor, super delicious. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.